Dear students, today we are going to break down the different ways organization classify their plans. Understanding these classification of planning is key to effective management, no matter the size of the business. Key classification of planning. Planning is classified based on time, managerial levels, repetitiveness of operations, scope, and an integrated approach. We will look at each of these five categories. Firstly, time-based classification. Let's talk about time-based classification. This is one of the most straightforward ways to categorize plans. Long-range planning. These plans look ahead 3 to 5 or more years. They set the future direction of the organization. Example, a technology company decides to allocate 40% of its research and development budget to AI or artificial intelligence over the next 5 years to become an industry leader. Next is medium range planning. These plans cover a span of 1 to 3 years. They help bridge the gap between the long term goals and day to day operations. Example, the same technology company plans to develop and launch a new AI powered software application within the next 2 years. Next, short range planning. These are plans for less than 1 year. Think of them as the immediate, actionable steps needed to achieve your goals. Example, the software development team outlines a 6-month project plan to build the core features of the new AI application, including weekly plans and specific deadlines. Managerial level based classification is the next. We classify planning based on managerial levels. Different levels of management are responsible for different types of plans. Strategic plans. These are created by top level management. They are high level, overarching plans that define the company's long term vision. Example, the chief executive officer and executive board decide to expand the company's market presence by acquiring a smaller competitor in a new country. Next is administrative plans. Middle level management handles these plans. They focus on implementing the strategic plans within specific departments or functions. Example, the head of the human resources department creates a plan to integrate the acquired company's employees, including new payroll systems, benefits, and training programs. Next is operational plans. These are the plans for lower level or frontline management. They are the day to day plans that ensure work is completed efficiently. Example, the IT manager schedules the installation of a new computers and software for the incoming employees in the new branch office. Next is repetitiveness of operations. This classification focuses on whether a plan will be used repeatedly or for a single purpose. Standing plans. These are designed for recurring situations. They include things like policies, rules, procedures that guide ongoing activities. Example, a company establishes a clear policy for employee expense reports, outlining the necessary forms, receipts, and approval process that must be followed for every single submission. Next is single use plans. As the name suggests, these are created for a unique one time event or project. Examples include programs and projects. A project plan is developed for a one time company wide event, such as the annual holiday party, detailing the budget, venue, entertainment, and a timeline for all the tasks. Next is scope based classification. The scope of a plan refers to how broad or narrow its focus is. Company-wide or master plans. These are plans that affect the entire organization. Example, the company's annual budget, which allocates financial resources to every department from marketing to production, is a master plan. Next, functional or departmental plans. These plans are specific to a single function or department, such as production, finance, marketing, or human resources. Example, the marketing department creates its own plan to launch a new product, including market research, a social media campaign schedule, and advertising material production. We move on to the last, which is integrated approach. Finally, it's crucial to remember that planning requires an integrated approach. It includes or requires integration across all levels and types so effectively to achieve organizational goals. So, whether you're looking at a long term strategic plan or a short term operational one, all these functions are vital components of a selective and successful planning framework.